guys, Ivan here, and this is CLS 53 AMG in beautiful Designo diamond white paint finish, paint job. It has a beautiful white key. This is optional for like 140 euros. So if you have a white car, you should definitely buy this option, I think, because yeah, it's pretty cool. So as maybe you know, this looks similar to the A-Class. It has a twin blade grille with AMG logo. It's flashing on the camera, on the video, not flashing in real life, obviously. This car has a multi-beam LED headlights, which can cut out ongoing traffic. It has like aero bits in the front and like a black little lip in the front. It has a stripe, and if you take a look on the side, it has a 4MATIC Plus turbo badge. And these wheels with steel brakes, silver calipers, and these are the Michelin 245 3520, and the name of the tire is, where is it? Is Pilot Sport 4S. It's like a carbon fiber mirror caps. This is a coupe version, so frameless doors. It is based also on the E-Class. I really like this design because I like the front, that is similar to A-Class. In the back you can see these tail lamps and CLS 53 logo, and also AMG logo, and this like a spoiler in carbon fiber. And this actually a little bit looks like a A-Class shape without this. So here you can see the twin exhaust, and on each side, so this is four tips on the back of the car. This is like a matte black texture. These side vents, probably fake, but still good design. And this is not actually exhaust, it's like a tip, exhaust tip, and exhaust is down there. And these side skirts are in a white color, and again this carbon fiber. And we can take a look and compare with the AMG line. So this is, what is it? Some crazy sounds. So anyway, this is AMG line 450, I believe. Let's take a look. 4MATIC. No, this is 400D. They had many models here, so I never know. This is edition 1. They have so many cars here, so sometimes I don't know which is which, especially in AMG line, because they look every car looks the same from the front in AMG line. Doesn't matter if it's a diesel or if it's a gasoline. So I hope this sound stops very soon. So yeah, pretty cool. If you have a flash, like this badge is like 3D printed, then it means it has a radar inside. And here is a camera. Here would be like a tow hook. And yeah, looks great. I really like it. We can take a look at the inside of the car. Well, there is a crazy sound. We can test actually the sound isolation. So I really like how this car looks. So let me put it in the English language and then I will come back. Alright guys, so let's check the interior of this CLS coupe. And also we have here the G-Class G500. Check this review also. I did a full review on this car, like 55 minutes, very in-depth. And I also did the review about this car, the newest A35 AMG, and already this car is sold. So yeah, let's check out those videos as well. Just a little reminder. So yeah, here we have a leather. So yeah, let's check out the interior of the car. So this is the combination of AMG Napa leather, grey magma, which is this one, and espresso brown, which is this. And here we have a carbon decor. So yeah, let's take a look at this interior. Really nice car and really nice interior. So here are the fully electric comfort seats, memory seats, so you can adjust everything. Here you have a ventilation of the seat, heated seats, and you can operate the passenger seat. And here you have a Burmester sound system. You have here a little, not little, but vent with ambient lighting, and these are the controls for the Distronic and other assistants. You can lock the car, and you have controls for the lights. Ambient lighting, as you can see, also here. And this is the new AMG steering wheel, and it is looks like it is in espresso brown color. Yeah, I think it's espresso brown actually. So really nice color, like a brown color. And this is the new style steering wheel. So with this touchpad you can control the instrument cluster, and with this one you can control the multimedia command display. So this is like a cover for the displays, so you can see them better. So this is great. Here you have a toggle for the windscreen wipers, indicators, pedal shifter down and up, and gear selector. Ambient lighting above the display and under the displays. AMG logo on the bottom of the steering wheel. The steering wheel is flat, as you can see. And yeah, I will show you that a little bit. Here we have moments. I set the purple sky here. You have also here the engine start stop. And this is for the dual zone AC unit. You have a clock here, some hotkeys, and storage space, 2 cup holders, NFC charging. This is, you have a USB-C port, so this is basically it. And here this is a control for also for this multimedia display, so you can scroll and control and swipe. Here we have dynamic select for the driving style. So this is Eco, Individual, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, the most sporty setting. And here we have volume knob, turn off the display, auto start stop and parktronic, and also 360 camera. And so here is like a gray magma part, here is espresso brown, and here is the decor. So you can see here also the same speaker, seats, and here is actual seat, AMG logo here, headrest, and nice large side bolsters, as you can see, larger than my palm. And these seats have Not much, but they have some support, but they are more on the comfort side. And here we have an armrest, which is nice, deep, 2 USB-C ports, memory card slot. And also I want to show you the mirror with light. Here you have a handle, microphone, passenger and microphone too, sunglasses compartment, some lights, buttons, SOS button, this is for service, maybe call service, mirror, dimming mirror, and yeah, you can actually see the prices of the gas. Pretty cool. And also you have AMG ride control here, I forgot to tell you, sorry. So you can have it in comfort, sport, sport plus, and here is for the manual gear selector, and turn the stabilization traction control off. You have some ambient lighting here as well, and also here. So really lovely interior. So I as a driver have plenty space above my head. No problem with this. So yeah, let's check out this instrument cluster panel. So you can select design, sport, classic, progressive. I like the classic, but my favorite here is the sport. So you can select, I operated with this. So you can swipe and select. Well, then you have a head-up display. You can set the position, brightness, display content. Lap times. Then you can see the telephone, media, radio, navigation, trip, AMG performance with boost kilowatts Newton meters. Assistance, service. You can see error messages, tires, pressure, and so temperature. Assist plus, this is for service. Coolant, engine oil level. So yeah, this is basically it. You can also change the you cannot change left instrument cluster, this one, but you can change the right one. So as I swipe, check it out, you can check it and change it. So you can have a route guidance here. You can have like a trip setting. You can have a tire pressure and temperatures of the engine and gearbox. You can have an AMG track pace. Then you can have a boost. And G-force. You can have a EQ with like a ref counter, and the ref counter with the information inside. Also here you have a fuel gauge, and on the right side you can see the engine temperature. You have a temperature on the top and the clock. So really nice design, I really like this. So now I can show you this command system. So you have basically the navigation. You can zoom in, zoom out. If you zoom out, then as I told you, you can see traffic, because this car has live traffic. And also you can see some road closure, and actually you can see the price of the gas on different gas stations. And you can set many things in the navigation, like you can enter destination. So then you can see the radio. So now you can see the radio, media, telephone, car office, connect. In connect you can see actually browser, Mercedes Me app, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And in vehicle you can set a bunch of things like seats, driver seat can have a massage with high intensity or normal intensity. You can have a wave massage, so you can see the animation there. And you can set everything for passenger as well. So then you can have a dynamic seat, which is a support of the side bolsters during drive. So when you are going in the corner, the opposite side of the car will be inflated. So that's pretty cool. I experienced that. Then you have lumbar support. You can adjust it basically how do you like it. So this is cool. Then you have side bolsters. You can inflate them to hug you more. On 10 it's pretty hardcore, so I would say like a 5 is nice. Then you can reset everything. If you hear some sounds, then it's because I set the massage for me. So I test the massage. It's pretty interesting. I can put the activating massage now. So yeah, that's it. In climate control, you have to turn the ignition on. Then you can put a sync between the zones, your as a driver and passenger. Then climate mode you can set as a focus, medium, diffuse. Air refreshener can be high, medium, low, or it can be on off. Then you have ionization of the car and rear temperature. You can set rear temperature to different than the front. Energizing comfort is combining the massage and ambient lighting and everything together. So you have a refresh, vitality, joy, well-being, training. If you hear a noise, then the G500 is driving now near me. So yeah, in dynamic select you have this massage is pretty cool actually, activating massage. I need this because I get up, get in and get out of the seat like 100 times during the day when I shoot these cars. So yeah, in the individual configuration you have a drive. You can put it in sport, moderate, reduced, dynamic. Then you have a transmission, which you can have it manual and drive. Suspension can be on comfort, sport, sport plus. ESP can be on or sport. And then you have engine data. So you can see the temperature of the transmission and temperature of the engine, and here you can see kilowatts and newton meters. Then in vehicle data you can see the car in different. If I put it in sport plus, the car should go one down here, maybe when I would start it. So let's try it. And yeah, as you can see, this is lowering, and you can see, you can hear the exhaust now. So let's turn it off because I need to film the exhaust startup later. So in dynamic data you can see these things like a boost, newton meters, kilowatts, g-force, And again, if I press it in different dynamic select style, then you would see different things, and it also looks different. So yeah, that's it. In track pace, this is for use on the racetrack only. So you can see the track pace, drag race, telemetry, and other options. So if I select track pace, you can see timing, new track, lap times, all tracks. So in all tracks you can see the Algarve Autodromo, Spa-Francorchamps, Hockenheim, Laguna Seca, Nürburgring, Nordschleife. Then you can record even new track, and you can see lap times. So this is like a personal driving coach. You can have a drag race, acceleration, quarter mile braking, and telemetry. And you can select some options, your driver profile. There is a track pace app which you can synchronize and see everything on your phone. Also you can see head-up display content, acoustic feedback. So for example, it can be loud, quiet, off, and you can have a help notes. So yeah, this is the track pace. In assistance you can see traffic sign assist, camera parking assist, active brake assist, all these assists. Then you have a consumption. We can actually take a look here on the trip. What's the overall consumption? So this car has 13.6 liters for the 2,350 kilometers. This is a test drive car, so many people drive this hard. So I think this is good for this type of the car, test car. So I think in real life you can have easily average like 10 liters, maybe 11. So yeah, that's great, because this has a EQ, so it's also like an economic car. More economic, not like a diesel car, but yeah, for the performance it's more economic. So then in light setting you can select ambient lighting in different lights. So check my other CLS review, which was shot in the inside of the showroom, and there is better visible the ambient lighting because there is more dark. Obviously now it's sunny, so during sun it's better to have a purple sky, and you can have a brightness zones, or you can have it everything on 1. You can have a climate, so when I change the climate, these vents became hot, so they turn red, and when it's cold they turn blue when I change the temperature. So this is same like on the A-Class, and it's pretty cool. So you can change deep beams if you go to the UK, or if you go from the UK to the mainland Europe. Surround lighting, this is projecting from the mirrors, light on the ground, exterior light shadow off, interior light shadow off. Vehicle settings, tire limits, and in the system you can select and set a bunch of things. Also, actually I want to show you equalizer for the Burmester system. So you can set this, and this is the best sound system. So yeah guys, that's it for this command system. Glove box, you have a perfume diffuser. Here is a daybreak mode. You can have a lot of different perfumes. These door pockets are medium size. They are quite wide actually, you can fit a bottle here. We have also the AMG trim, which is illuminated, and we have AMG floor mats with these ambient lighting pedals, and also they have like a aluminium finish, but on the top there is like a rubber, so it's easy to use, so it's not slippery. This is adjustable. This is a normal seat belt. So let's go and check out the engine. So this is the new 3-liter 6-cylinder inline 6-cylinder turbo engine, and this has an EQ boost, so it has an auxiliary compressor which helps to move car forward immediately after you slam the gas pedal, accelerator pedal, until the turbo gets the boost, so you can have a immediate acceleration similar to the naturally aspirated engine. And this engine produces 435 horsepower. This is that's 320 kilowatts and 520 newton meters of torque, and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. So that's ridiculous fast for the size of the car. And this is an entry basically, and also the top AMG line of the CLS. So this car basically can have a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, or with driver's package 270 kilometers per hour. It's a 9-speed TCT gearbox, so 9 gears. And also check out the review of this beast, 4-door coupe. Basically this is on the same platform, but this is a more aggressive car. And also check a review of this one. So yeah guys, pretty cool engine here, a new technology which allows you immediate response. So let's take a look at in the rear. Burmester speaker, a decor, espresso brown magma gray, and handle. This is for the windows, also handle. So speaker Burmester, very nice. Here could be like a TV if you buy it, optional. Some storage space, a lot of space for me, even this is coupe. Some displays for the AC in the back, and some vents. And yeah, pretty nice. You have some space here, nice curved seats, less curved here, but more curved on the rear. Headrest. Here you have also the armrest, which has like a storage space and 2 hidden cup holders. So very nice, comfortable here. And above my head I have like 2-3 fingers, maybe 2 fingers. Not much space, but I'm tall person, I'm 185, 186 or 7 centimeters. It's like 6 feet and almost 2 inches, between 1 and 2 inches. So not much space, but this is a coupe of course, and I can fit here. I can move a little bit forward, then I have more space. But yeah, it's fine. And this is how it looks from the rear. Really nice. You can see this interior steering wheel, beautiful. Everything is really good, really nice. So yeah, beautiful interior. Now let's check the boot space. So the boot is quite large actually, despite being coupe, it's very deep. I cannot touch the end of the boot space. I'm like here and there is an end. So this is really rare. This is really really large. And you have tow hook, tire kit, stuff like that. So here would be maybe the fuse box. And yeah, little net, some hooks. So pretty large. And of course this is automatic, so you can close it. So yeah guys, I will end the video here because you can hear me better here because it's windy outside. So share this video, please, if you can, like this video and share it with your friends, subscribe for the channel for plenty more videos and comment in the comment section down below. So this was Ivan Sensei and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day!